Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss question number 8 of exercise 6.2 triangles of class 10th. The question is, by using theorem 6.2 we have to prove that line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. This kind of questions appears to be quite important for the CBSE class 10th mathematics, as it is directly related to the BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem, and its converse from this chapter. And generally in board exams, theory based proofs of this kind as well as their applications are frequently asked. So let's discuss this question by the process. So first of all, what we will do, we will assume that there is a triangle A, B, C where D is the midpoint. To prove that line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So we assume that D is the midpoint and D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. So this is what we have to write in our given. So we are assuming here, so we will write this thing that let us assume triangle ABC where D is the midpoint of A, B and E is the midpoint of AC. Now what we need to prove? To prove, we will write DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. So this is what we need to prove here. So now we will let's start our proof. So to prove this, we will write proof, and prove this. First take in triangle ABC. So the bada triangle we are going to take first and divide our part and take the another triangle, that is in triangle ABC, and in triangle the other triangle is where we are taking E is the midpoint. So in triangle ABC and in triangle ABC we can write in triangle ABC here also, or in case you may not be right. So in this particular case we are taking D as the midpoint and here E is the midpoint, right? We know that AD equals to DB, so AD upon DB equals to 1. Because it's equally divided, we can replace the value, we can write DB upon DB also as per this equation, so 1 will come. Similarly, as we are taking E as a midpoint, so AE equals to EC, this is also given, and then it is given, we can write AE upon EC equals to 1. So we can take this equation as 2 and this equation as 1. When we are writing this, is these two equations. So from equation 1 and second, AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. Why this? Because if a line divides, we can write here the reason also. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then The line is parallel to the third side. This is the reason. So therefore DE is parallel to BC. Hence proved. And this is our answer. Thank you.